Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is day 14 of me learning English with an American accent. So if you're new here, let me tell you what I'm doing. So I'm doing a 6 months challenge, and in this next 6 months I'll learn English with an American accent. So I'll do whatever I have to do. I'll do anything that I have to do to learn this language and the American accent. So this is my only goal for now, and today I'm gonna talk about how I'm learning English in the past few days and how what I'm doing to like for my accent and everything. Yeah, this video is kind of like you can say like I just want to share what I'm doing. So but before I start, I just want to say that if you're new here and you want to learn English, that let me tell you, I created a Discord server a few days ago. So if you want to learn English, you can join this server. It's completely free for everyone. All you need and just account and Discord account, and you can join the server. You can read here like what you can do. There's a lot of things here, some tips and tricks, helpful videos, like everything, like and so many things to do here. But right now we're not that much people here, but hopefully in this server there will be like more people, so this server will be good, better, like this server will be better. So yeah, if you want to learn English, you can join, but also if you already learn English, then please help us by teaching. Anyways, so the thing I was talking, how I'm learning English. So as you can, if you watch me regularly, then you know that my English is so bad, and also my accent. So my accent, I want American accent. This is probably the most easiest accent to get, but you have to practice a lot. So for that, I'm watching American content, and I'm thinking to watching a new series, which is I'm going to start from tomorrow, and I'm so excited for that. Also, I'm not just listen, I'll also repeat after them, try to repeat after them, like not only watching the series, also at the same time repeating after them. So this is gonna be crazy. I'm so excited for that. Also, I took a lot of help from ChatGPT. As you can see, I did so many times. I asked ChatGPT to give me like topics to talk about, and I talk myself. It really helped me. Like let's say let's ask ChatGPT me, and I said give me again, and yeah, and he gave me 5 topics to talk about. I can talk about like by myself. I don't really need anyone to talk to. So if here is a question: if I was famous, what would you be famous for? How would your life changed? Here you can see, if I was famous, what would it be? Like you guys probably know that I'm a huge fan of Spider-Man. I'm a huge fan of Spider-Man. So yeah, I want like say like I don't know how to answer this question. And but anyways, as you can see, the second question, like yeah, there's like a lot of things you can. Sometimes I practice this, try to answer these questions, and sometimes I read. I don't really read that much, but I have to start reading. As you can see, if you watch me regularly, that these few lines, I read it like day 9, and I'll read this again at day 19. If you haven't watched that video, you can watch for more information on what I'm talking about, so you'll understand easily. And here's another things I do. So I asked ChatGPT to give me some pictures, and I just described them. So it's also very great way to learn English. And yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. And also I joined some Discord server where we can talk to each other, and I met some friends. Yeah, this is how I'm learning English. I know it's not that good. My English still so bad, and it'll take time. I know I'll do a lot of mistakes, but I won't give up. I'll keep doing this. I'll like for the next 6 months. I just locked in. I don't care what people say. I don't care about anything. I just want to learn English, the American accent. So yeah, this is my goal right now, and this is how I'm learning English. Also, if you wanna watch the journey, and also if you wanna learn English with me, you can subscribe this channel. You can join the Discord server. But let me clear you something. I'm not here for subscribers or likes or views or anything. I just created this channel for to be consistent, to be motivated. If I just show you my analytics, you can see that. See, views last 48 hours, I got only 38 views and 0 views for like last 60 minutes. See, I don't care about views. I can make better thumbnails. I can like some efforts on like video editing, so my video will be much better. But I might do that. You know what? I might do that because yeah, I can do that. So I'm thinking to like edit my videos for day 20 or tomorrow. I don't know, but I'm thinking to like my video better. So yeah, that way I can also learn video editing, which is I'm kind of new and I don't know how to edit videos. So I can also learn a new skill. So yeah, I might upload better videos from now, but I'm not sure yet. And yeah, that's how I am learning English. I know it might be some like weird, but listen guys, if you learn English, it'll help you. So just ignore all of them. If your accent is bad like me, just move forward. And yeah, let's just learn together. I don't know what I'm saying. I think I'm yelling so much. So yeah, this is day 14 of me learning English with an American accent. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Take care. See ya.